All right, first thing we're going to do to dismount a tire is we'll let the air out of the tire. And while the air is letting out of the tire, we'll check the rim to make sure there's not any old weights on the rim. All right, this rim's good. All right, once the air is let out of the tire, we'll bring it up to the tire machine and break the bead down. Alright, now we're going to mount the tire on the machine. Alright, we'll bring our dismount arm over, set it, and we're going to grab our tire tool. Alright, and this is what's called on this tire machine. We refer to this as the duct. If you look at it from overhead, it looks like a duck's head, and it looks like the back of a duck. So we'll mount this on the duck's bill, break it over, and turn the machine. Alright, then we'll do the second bead the same way. Go over the duck's bill. Alright, now we have dismounted the tire. Alright, to mount this tire back on, we'll set it up on the rim. We'll get tire soap. We lube the bead up with tire soap. Alright, once we have it soaked up, we mount the tire on the rim. We bring our arm back over. And now, when we're referring to mounting this tire on the bead, we'll want the bead to go under the duck's bill and over the duck's back. So we've mounted one bead. Same thing, we go under the duck's bill and over the duck's back. Now we'll come to this side and air the tire up. Alright, so according to the sidewall rating on this tire, we're going to set the tire pressure at 32 psi. Alright, this next step you have to be kind of quick when we start to install the Schrader valve back in. You have to kind of be quick taking the air hose off and putting the Schrader valve back in. Alright, we'll recheck our air pressure, see if we lost any. Alright, so we lost a little bit. Alright, good, 32. Alright, now we're going to release the tire from the machine. And we'll head over to the balance machine and balance the tire. Alright, once we're at the balance machine, the first thing we're going to do is find the right center cone to mount the tire on the balance machine. Alright, so right now we've got the right cone. We'll put the tire up on the machine. Mount the tire. Alright, some tire machines you actually have to physically measure the tire width, the rim diameter and all those, but this particular machine automatically measures all this. When we lower the hood, it uses lasers and it'll automatically measure this for us, so it'll spin the tire and tell us how much weight we need to add to it. Alright, so we can see it tells us on the outside that we need 3/4 of an ounce of weight, and on the inside we need 1 1/4 ounce weight, and it'll tell us exactly where to line it up. So right now it's lining the outside up. It has a laser, so we'll grab a 3/4 ounce weight. One that's not. Alright, we'll touch the back side and we'll find 1 1/4 ounce weight. Spin the tire again. Alright, it's telling us that we still need 1 more weight on this side. Alright, so we need 3/4 more ounce. So we'll mark. Check it in again. Got a mounted tire.